with me, what be these? And he answered me, these are the horns which scattered.
Alright, so, we get it that it can get stressful here, and everyone has their different ways of dealing with stress, but we noticed one of you guys, I'm not going to single anyone out, has been eating toilet paper in bed for the past 5 days, and we're not trying to single anyone out, we're not trying to make fun of anyone, but if this keeps happening, we're going to have to contact the mental health team. So, I'm not naming any names, but this can just cause a lot of complications for health, and I've actually seen this on my strange addictions. So if anyone actually, has this as an addiction, we're able to accommodate that. If anyone needs anything to chew on in bed, we can accommodate that. It just can't be anything inedible, because it's just going to cause a danger to the health, and we're going to have to call the mental health team.
For sure. Thanks.
Appreciate it.
Alright, so we've been eating toilet paper.
What? I feel like they'll look your head.
It was me. I've been eating them all. And then said, what can these do? And he spake, saying, these are the horns which have scattered Judah, so that no man did lift up his head. But these are come to fray them, to cast out the horns of the Gentiles, which lifted up their horns over the lands of Judah to scatter. The Lord will choose Jerusalem. I lifted up my eyes again and looked. To measure Jerusalem, to see what is the beneath.